Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm making John Chandler's World's Best Lasagna from allrecipes.com. The recipe description simply says, "This lasagna recipe takes a little work, but it is so satisfying and filling that it's worth it." So stay with me and we'll get started. Okay, so I've made this wonderful lasagna a few times before, but it's been a while. For the sausage, I used my favorite homemade version from Spend With Pennies. I'll leave a link to that recipe in the description box below. There are a few things to note for this recipe. First, after removing the foil, I cooked it another 15 minutes instead of 25, and it was done. Next, I added an extra layer of sauce toward the end because I had some left over. And lastly, I used gluten-free oven-ready noodles to keep things nice and easy. For the taste test, it was just as awesomely delicious as I remembered. It's hard to describe how good this lasagna really is. I think a lot of the flavor comes down to one thing: the perfect combination of the sweet Italian sausage and the fennel seeds. Be sure to use a high-quality sausage if you decide to not make your own. And the fennel seeds have a distinct taste that's often found in pizza sauce that enhances its flavor. I appreciate that this recipe uses mozzarella cheese slices instead of shredded. It gives a more even coverage and it melts nicely. The simply seasoned ricotta as well as the grated Parmesan topping also added to the overall taste profile. There's not a whole lot more to say other than this is a 100-star recipe. It would be hard to find a homemade lasagna to rival this one. I highly suggest giving it a try. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave me something down in the comments below, and subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, thanks for watching.